It is the grand send-off for the history-making reggae girls at the National Stadium on Sunday. And it's been a different kind of challenge, drumming up the support for this particular World Cup-bound team compared to the history-making boys of 1998. But then, you just want to start a rumor. Say the reggae boys are play and stadium full. I don't know if it's because so many of the current girls were not born and bred in Jamaica. So enough of a connection is not there. I hope it's not that. But if it is, it's not fair. You remember the day when these girls qualified for the World Cup? You remember the scenes and the sounds coming out of that dressing room? You don't remember? Pretty. Those girls right there know the Jamaican national anthem better than know for who said them born under the clock. Right now, in Jamaica's football terms, yeah, is who run the world. Who run the world? The girls run the world. Until the Sunday at the National Stadium, is the girls run the world.